Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can close apps on Android. So in order to manage your RAM cache or manage the open or active apps list, you will first need to open the recent apps menu, which you can do by holding and dragging this little bar from the bottom to the top. Make the following gesture. If you have the gesture navigation set as your preferred system navigation method, or if you instead use the buttons or the 3 digital button navigation type. First of all, let me quickly change it to those buttons. So once again, navigation mode. We'll switch it from gesture navigation to 3 button navigation. So if that's your preferred method, you will need to press the recent apps icon, which usually looks like a square. It will be either to the first icon from the left or first icon from the right. Anyway, once the recent apps menu is opened, you can now close the app by swiping it to the top like that, or on certain phones you will need to swipe it to the right instead, so figure it out which way it works on your particular smartphone. And on the majority of devices, you can also close all apps at once, either by pressing the close apps or close all recent apps or just close apps button you'll find below the app miniatures here somewhere, or you need to scroll the list of recent apps all the way to the right, or simply scroll it until you will see the miniature for the first app you have launched, or the least recent app you have launched rather, and here you'll have the clear all button the way it is on my Google Pixel 8. And that's how you generally close apps on Android, so should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.